Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Today we are in Tyrewood, Marcel and myself. We're really going to look in on Miss Topsy this morning. It has been a while since we have seen her, and mostly because it has been raining so frequently. So this morning we decided to come and check on her and bring her some groceries. Alright, so we'll see her in a little while. But please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's take that journey right now. And normally we tend to come in the early morning when it's nice and cool. It's still early, but the sun is out. We're trying to wait until at least, some of the water dry off the grass. And as you can see here this morning, I'm wearing my water boots. So is Marcel. I would have learned, because the last time we went to Choppy Brown, Marcel would have said, let's wear water boots. And then I never wanted to. He said, I'm going to wear mine, and then we ended up leaving it. And so when we went to Choppy Brown and came back, our sneakers were soaking wet. So we're just taking precaution this morning, because as you can see out there, it's wet, and muddy. So we should be much safer and drier in our water boots. Right, Marcel?
Right.
Round there quiet. All right.
All right.
So we're taking the journey up the hill right now.
Give me a bag.
I can bring it. If I get tired, I'll just holler at you.
Okay.
You look like them with the road, Marcel.
Some brushing going.
So let me take these out. Carry them over here.
Me back.
Here. What happened?
Go on.
You can manage both of them? This. Why? Oh man. Okay, and so this is where I take my rest. Marcel, that's a woodpecker,
Really?
See him there, come right with me. You see him now in the pimento tree? I see him. We're almost there. Almost there, almost there. Okay.
Look out for Puppy.
Soon hear him. Okay. Oh, thank God.
He'll done.
Huh?
Say he'll finish.
Oh, yeah, man. No sign of Puppy this morning. Here they, Miss Topsy. Here they. No, sir. Miss Topsy. Miss Topsy. Hey, cool it, puppy. Hey. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, Oh, Lord. How you do?
You're too bad.
Okay, it's been such a long while since we... Me come up and put this by you. Are you alone there one today? Oh, you're puppy. Oh, gosh.
I clean up.
Oh, you're clean.
Yes, I'm in the bed here yesterday.
Oh, you went out. Look at that
clinic.
little kid.
We got clinic.
Oh, yesterday was clinic.
Out of try.
Oh, okay. I see you have a kitten.
A junior get him.
Oh.
But he that eat out what me no have.
Oh. Oh, no.
I saw him muddy up here when time rain.
Yeah, man, because this morning we put on water boots. Yeah, because we figure it might muddy.
No figure muddy, but we glad for water.
Yes. Can't complain. I forgive thanks. Yeah. So how the pressure when you got to the clinic yesterday?
Him said the pressure on the diabetic up a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's all right. If we continue to take my medication.
Oh, okay,
They
okay.
don't make we stay too long to come back.
Oh, how long it take before you get to go back?
3 months.
Oh, Lord.
Sometimes I go to 4 because to me try to eat the sweet and so.
Yes.
And the salt.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and you went to the dentist?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Only one left.
Oh, my God.
One.
Yes, praise God.
Just drink some porridge.
Yeah.
I said me I go wipe out.
Yeah, man. You do some cleaning. So you wash, Missy clothes pan line, and you wash them? Yeah, you're going good, man. Oh, wow.
Me tell God that.
Yes.
Some it like to live up 100 or even more, but
Yes.
me don't want to give nobody no trouble.
Yes, you want to be able to...
Help
can-
me, sir.
yes.
You know, so my granddaughter come look for me do.
Yes.
My granddaughter come her birthday.
Oh, well, your birthday? So when was your birthday?
April,
Oh, yes.
Sunday, I want a Sunday. 27.
Oh, yeah, the 27th of April. Yeah, so you had fun.
Yes, man.
Okay. So you not left no cake for us?
No, because I know Sunday here now. Upon week before
Long time.
Sunday
That the cake would have
Oh,
spoiled.
yes, it has spoiled.
Yeah, man.
So,
Oh, wow. So nice. So good that she came and saw you.
yes. So, the one teeth left. No, one and piece.
Okay, okay.
So, me I tell the dentist, say, me know who know how me teeth pop off.
Yeah.
But it pen well in the ear, so then just pop up.
Yeah. So how many they took out when they went?
1 time 2 and 1 time 3.
Oh.
So only this and one piece leave.
Yes. So you have one more trip to the dentist.
Yes, me going back. It's 28.
Yes. 28th of this month? Oh, okay.
I asked her why she give me so nearby. Me no remember where she said.
Oh, but this one near and then the one for the clinic is far.
No, Albert, when we go take extract tooth, down also spring.
Also spring.
Yeah, one woman take it out.
Yes.
Hey.
Okay.
So out that trial now, I'm in clinic there.
Right. The pressure and the diabetes. So I was saying to you, because you say you don't know why you get such a long date for the clinic, like 4 months. So I was saying that one is long, but the one for the dentist is close, because you just went and you get a close date.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I want a white woman take extract them for me.
Okay.
I'm in love her. And she talked to me nice.
It's 3 months. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, so you're doing well and you're not feeling any more pain in the gum.
No, me not feeling any more pain.
Okay. Did you run out of groceries?
No, me did
You still have?
something here.
Yes.
To make porridge.
Yes.
But me use up the rest or something then.
Okay, okay. All right, so we bring you some grocery this morning. Yeah, but and since you're clean, me no want to come over. Me no know if this bag is too heavy for you to bring in. We're bringing out like rice, flour, sugar. No, there's no sugar. Chicken and so on. Yeah. Seasoning, butter.
Every little thing.
Every little thing you get.
Yes. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you very
You are
much.
welcome. Yes, man.
Yes. And June asked him this morning, June, I tell me, say, if we can buy piece of chicken.
Oh.
But me tell say me no have any money.
Yeah.
Family decide, say, tomorrow know what we going to do. My granddaughter did carry some baked beans. So me just go hot up one and use it with rice.
Okay. But now you have the chicken, so you can cook the chicken.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, man.
Me go and season it up today.
Okay.
The seasoning where you carry, come give me. I wash.
I did what kind of season did you bring again? It was in a package?
To the bone.
Season to the bone.
It cook nice though.
Oh, you like that one?
Yes, but me no use plenty.
No. Yeah, because you don't want to use so much salt.
No.
Yeah. We bring a different one now.
Yes.
You will like that one too.
Seasoning.
Yeah, it's a Maggi season. You will like it.
Oh.
Yeah, but don't use plenty.
Maybe a one when me used to buy.
Yeah, possibly.
Oh, me thank you for everything.
You are
And
welcome.
sometimes people, when me go out yesterday, it's the neighbor them down the road. I ask me, say, are you, them people come look for? Me say, yes, them carry some food for me.
Yes.
But they want to know everything.
Yes. I don't want to tell them everything. Okay, so we know you're clean, Miss Topsy. We just really did want to come and check on you because it has been a while.
Yes.
So we come and see that you're doing good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we not keep up your time, because we see say you are clean and stuff.
Talk, man. I know somebody may work with.
Yeah, you're on your own time. Yes.
I'm bed already. Only cleaning now me have to do.
Yes.
And after me clean, don't know, me start cook.
Okay. You cook early?
Yes, first sometimes the rain come down early.
Yes.
So me cook and cover it up.
Because you're cooking outside. So you have to do it before the rain comes down.
And June I go and come in, come cook at night. So me tell my granddaughter, say, if it turn off it.
Okay.
She say, what she say? So me tell her about, me tell her, say, one lady come look for me. That are you.
Yes.
And she tell me that she see it on, what?
Upon YouTube?
Yes. If she have them the phone for everything.
Yes.
Tell me that she, and the lady carry 1 tray of egg for me. Me say yes.
Yes, man. Yes, and we were trying to get you a tray now, but they never had any. Next time when we come in.
It's all right for me. When we go take out my teeth now, we can get one tray.
Yes. Okay.
Me like, sometimes one time me like one egg with the breakfast.
Yeah, one boiled egg.
Either boil it or fry it.
Fried.
Because me don't love eating sauce, the dry.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. All right, Miss Topsy, so we're going to leave now. Happy to come and see you and, see that you're doing well and everything, all right?
Yes.
Yes, man.
And me thank you for everything.
Yes, Miss Topsy, you're welcome.
And good Lord bless you all.
Yes.
And keep you.
Yes.
You still see the people that did send it for me?
No, I don't hear from none of them yet.
Oh, they're gone foreign.
No, man, they were over there from long time. They are fine from long time.
Yes.
You're referring to the persons who had sent the stuff for you? Oh, yes, man, they were always overseas. You send it for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Some people can just kind to you.
Yes, man, indeed. Yes.
So what you think, you know, the lady Me ask Celia, say how much would have to do me more? You think it's a dear?
For which? Oh, you mean to do the denture? Oh, I'm not too sure. So she wasn't able to tell you how much they do it there?
No, she do it, but she said only top and bottom.
That's the same dentist? That's the same dentist? Oh,
only top and bottom then do. So that means you don't do jack.
No, so I think that it would mean that too. The top and bottom would be the corners and everywhere. Because remember, it have the shape. Everything would be there for the top and the bottom.
Oh.
Yes. So she never tell you how much it cost? Oh, when you go back next time, you have to go find out from her.
Yes.
Yes, find out how much to do it.
Yes. This month, me I go back.
Yes, the 28th, you say?
Once I take out money every day, taxi and something.
Yes.
Then you know what she did, I say? When she give me take out the first two,
yes,
she say, if I carry somebody with me because through me all,
yes,
she not tell me that, but me say so.
Yes.
Through me all, she said if I carry somebody with me.
Oh.
So me say, but me strong up, can't go by myself.
Yes.
And God will help me and protect me. And when we go back the last time in our day, she said, you come, but you don't carry nobody with you. Me ask my cousin, but my cousin say, she ain't happy goat.
Okay, okay.
So me tell her, say, make she didn't tell my son to tell me. And you, I can tell you something. Out of Albertown, we did have one old-time friend work at the post office.
Yes.
And she take her car and give one driver, he carry me right up at down here, so.
Wow.
Yes.
When was this?
Yesterday when it rained.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, and the rain catch me a pass.
That's so nice. So she make them drive from Albertown and bring you down?
No.
From the clinic?
And try.
And bring you down.
And carry me right up here.
Yes, that's so nice.
Yes.
Yes.
One nice, me don't know if you don't know her.
What's her name?
Me no remember what she name.
Oh, okay.
But she black and good looking.
Yes.
And in front teeth hopping, just like when me did younger.
Oh, she have open teeth? Yeah.
A puppy pan.
A puppy pan? Oh.
And you go and wash up. For me no know when do it so make it happy stay so.
Yeah. Puppy not leaving you one bit. And keep guarding.
And that same way.
Yes.
But one Christian, they give me worries. One climb up on table.
Oh, no.
If me lay down on my bed, he might climb up.
Oh, no.
No, so. I don't want the animal on my bed.
You want them stay growing outside?
Yes, yes.
Oh, boy. All right, Miss Topsy, we come and check on you another time.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, it was nice talking with you. Mrs. say, you know, when we leave,
Oh, gosh.
All right, guys, so this is where we end the video for today. So we come to check on Miss Topsy, and she's doing well, thank God.
Yes.
So, as usual, I have to say thanks to all our donors, everybody who has supported us, we thank you so much. May God continue to bless you always.
Yes.
All right, so in the meantime, thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Bye. I thank you, both of you.
All right, Miss Topsy, you're more than welcome.
Yes.
All right. All right, Miss Topsy. Mind upon you for weeks now. We say can't get. Oh.
And wine, do you see? At night time, you take the machete. Taking machete and I chop up the floor. Same a fight, boy.
Lord have mercy.
Now get up ahead, man, and go when he drink.
When he drink.
Yes. Same a fight, boy, and make up the hole upon knives on my head.
Yes.
I must see Dr. C.
Oh no.
He say, the pressure gone up little.
Watch the cat I follow Miss Topsy.
And my brother give me them, you have to,
Oh, that sweet potato.
yeah, you have to go wash them
Yeah, man.
before you peel it.
All right.
You don't know Glenn?
Marcel know him. I don't know him.
Yes,
Oh, yeah. I know him.
You supposed to
I know him by a different name. Longhead.
long head. I'm a small brother.
Okay. Okay. That's a nice piece I am. Miss Topsy, not give it too much. Keep some for yourself.
Yes, probably at least me love.
Yes, and that you must eat. So the sweet potato is good for you.
Yes.
Yes.
I thought, you have me to ask doctor.
Oh, you ask the doctor and he tell you?
He for me did buy 2 pounds. Oh, that try yesterday.
Okay. Oh, so you see you buy out a try today, yesterday you get,
But now me tell my brother when me have a clinic.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Miss Topsy. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am. And take care of yourself.
All right, you too.
Yes.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. You take coffee something?
Oh, yeah, right now.
Look, you see it already?
Yeah, man, it's set up.
Yes.
All right, later, okay? Yes.